Hello there. So you wanna know how you can simply go ahead and enable Gmail offline mode on your device. So this is gonna be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you are comfortable with and simply go ahead and search for Gmail and make sure that you are logged in into your Gmail account. So once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on this gear icon on the top right hand side of your screen, which is going to be the settings button. Go ahead and click on see all settings, and once you do that, this is going to be popping up on your screen. On this top tab right over here, where you want to click is offline right over here. And now in order to go ahead and enable it, just simply go ahead and tap on this, and then you can simply go ahead and either remove offline data from your computer or keep offline data on your computer, and simply go ahead and click on save changes. To understand what offline mode is, you can simply go ahead and click on that learn more button and simply go ahead and understand what it is. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.